Hello friends, welcome to Swollen training session. Now we will continue our core part. So you will see in previous lecture we will apply this operation. So I will hide this. Now again I will click on pocket because of this portion. So click on pocket, select my chain, OK. Now for this portion I will create the new tool, butt and mill tool. I will change the parameter, like I will set the cutting diameter is 3. Next and finish. Now the holder is here. Cut parameter, so I will set the pocket type facing the roughing parallel spiral and step over is 1. Depth of cut is same. 2 cut or finish cut with 0.5 value and the rough cut is 1 mm value. The linking parameter, so I will set the top of the stock is here and OK. You will see. Now I will just copy this operation and paste and change the geometry. So rechain all and select chain. OK and regenerate. So you will see my operation is perfect. Now we will apply this slot. So for this slot I will change the view, isometric reverse, this one. So in toolpath we will select the flow line operation. Now select these faces and selection. OK, now flow lines. So this is your offset, cut direction, step direction, start and OK. So this is your tool. I will set here the another tool, ball mill. OK. The cutting diameter is 5 and the radius is 1.5. Next, finish. OK. Surface parameter you will see and the finish flow parameter. So the distance value is 0.5. Cutting method is zigzag. So I will just click on OK. See, the toolpath is applied. So first of all we will check. So we will just verify selected operation and play. See, now I will just close it. First of all I will copy this operation. Now paste here. Now change the geometry. So unselect all and select here by one faces and selection. OK and regenerate. See. So now I will apply toolpath transform. So I will select the surface finish 6 operation and 7 operation. Click on toolpath transform. Select the mirror option by NCI source and in mirror I will set the points of mirror line. First of all reset all the points and now set this point and the another point is here. OK, you will see the toolpath is automatically generated. So friends, you will see your operation is performed. Now I will unhide all the operation. Okay. So in next lecture we will continue our this parallel operation and drilling operation. Thank you friends.